Ona thengia wa akenya gukorwo na uritu wa muturire kwa ihinda makihinyĩrĩrĩka makiria kumana na watho wa kigina uria congeririe kuongererwo kwa magoti. Riu kanitha wa Gatoreki ni urutite mugambo wigie ndeto ino.
Baadaye twende ndio tubariki shamba. Kwa
akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kurathima mugunda uria uguritwo ni arumiriri kanitha wa Gatoreki wa Our Lady of Fatima mwena wa Duberi, Muthikabu wa kanitha wa Gatoreki Archdiocese ya Nairobi Phillip Anyoro ni oritie President William Ruto guthurima keri mamwe ma magoti maria magathikitwo hamwe na mangi maria mendekithitio watho-ini wa kigina wa 2024.
Taxes are going very high, and it is not the first time we are talking about it. We have asked again and again that the government should look into other ways to subsidize the taxes so that people will also contribute towards the building of a nation. The taxes are very high, people will have nothing even to contribute towards the building of a nation. So we want to ask the government and many people who are concerned with the finance issues to think of many other ways that can alleviate the lives of the people.
Anyoro augite akenya ni mahinyĩrĩrĩkĩte kuigana na matibatie kuigererwo mirigo makiria kuona no mehokeirwo kuruta maruta matiganite makanitha-ini maria macokaga kuhuthika na ukuria wa makanitha na kuongererwo kwa magoti ni kuga makanitha matigukura.
Better things can be done, especially when we look at the situation of the people who are the poor, who are staying in the fringes of life, and they need our support from the church and support from the government. Once the government raises the taxes, even the church also, which is actually whose property and whose riches is the poor people, the church will have nothing to support and help the government to grow.
Miario yake ni nyititwo baru ni patron wa kanitha uyu Thomas Kimari uria ugite igoti riria riendekithitio kugathikwo hari mugate ni undu utabatie kuona mugate ni kindu kihuthikaga micini mingi. Akiongerera ati akenya mabatie kwaurwo mirigo ya magoti maingi iria matitikithitio.
Maundu macio mata kuongerera migate na indo iria ingi icira concern mwananchi arore maundu macio matigakorwo nimo magakorwo maguthukia bururi uyu ura tukiugaga taxes ciongererwo.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.